Hi there. We've been looking at this problem of areas of cones, and this one involves working backwards. And so it's a little bit more complicated because they're giving you information that's a blend of two things. So I'll set it up for you, and we'll see how it's going to be working out. It says the total area of a cone is 60 pi centimeters squared. So remember that the total area of a cone, okay, is going to be based on two calculations. It's going to be the area of the base, which is pi r squared, right? That's the area of a circle, plus the area of the side, which is pi rs. Now, when this question is telling you the total area, that means that we sort of have to come up with a way of combining these things and work backwards to figure out what the slant height is. We know the radius is 4. So let's fill in what we know. The total area is 60 pi, and the radius is 4. So I'm going to go pi times 4 squared plus pi times 4 times the side length. Now, the irritating part about this is that there are 3 terms, and we have to figure out the missing value of s. So we need to isolate this somehow, which means we have to isolate this term. So this is algebra, right? So 60 pi is going to stay on this side, and the pi times 4 squared is equal to 16 pi, and that's going to be brought over to the other side, and it's going to be negative because whenever you bring something across an equal sign, it's going to change, okay, to the opposite sign. And working this out then, I'm going to have 60 pi minus 16 pi, and over here, not much that I can work out, right? But I'm going to just sort of change the order a little bit and put it 4s pi. And the reason I'm doing that is I want these terms to all look kind of the same. So 60 pi minus 16 pi, these are like terms. And so when you have like terms, you can add the coefficients. Even though pi is not really a variable, we can pretend, since we don't have the actual value, that it works the same way. We don't have to pretend, it actually does work the same way. And that's going to be 44 pi when I subtract those two terms. And on the other side, it's going to be 4s pi. Now remember, our ultimate goal is to get the s by itself. So to get the s by itself, we're going to divide both sides by what we want out of there. So we're going to divide by 4 pi on this side and 4 pi on that side. Bad choice of color. Let's try something a little bit brighter here. 4 pi on this side and 4 pi on this side. The left side is going to reduce, and it's going to become simply 11. And the right side, we cancel off the pi's, we cancel out the 4's, and we're going to get s. So our side length is equal to 11. Okay, so the side is 11 centimeters. Yeah, so hopefully that makes perfect sense to you. Thanks for your attention. And let's stop this.